Today, let's learn about gametogenesis, the process of forming gametes. Gametogenesis is the process by which our bodies produce the gametes, the specialized reproductive cells needed for sexual reproduction. In males, this means creating sperm cells, and in females, it means producing egg cells, also known as ova. These cells carry the genetic information that will one day combine to form new life. There are two main types of gametogenesis, each specific to sex. In males, the process is called spermatogenesis, which produces sperm cells. In females, it's known as oogenesis, which leads to the formation of egg cells. Though both serve the same purpose reproduction, they occur in different organs and follow different patterns. Spermatogenesis is the process by which sperm cells are produced in the testes, the male reproductive organs. It begins at puberty and continues throughout a man's life. Every day, millions of sperm are generated through this highly organized process of cell division and maturation, all to ensure the male body is ready for reproduction. Steps of spermatogenesis. First is the spermatogonia, followed by the primary spermatocytes, then the secondary spermatocytes. Next are the spermatids, and finally, the mature sperm cells. Spermatogonia are the starting cells of spermatogenesis. They are diploid stem cells found in the walls of the seminiferous tubules inside the testes. These cells divide by mitosis to produce more spermatogonia and to create the cells that will continue on to become sperm. After spermatogonia divide, some of them become primary spermatocytes. These are still diploid cells, but unlike spermatogonia, they are now preparing to divide by meiosis, not mitosis. They begin meiosis I, the special type of cell division that reduces the chromosome number by half. Secondary spermatocytes are the result of meiosis I. They are haploid cells and will enter meiosis II to continue sperm development. Spermatids are formed after meiosis II. They are immature haploid cells that will later develop into sperm. Spermatids mature into sperm cells through a process called spermiogenesis. These are the fully developed male gametes, ready for fertilization. Oogenesis is the process by which egg cells, or ova, are formed in females. It begins before birth, with the formation of oogonia, and pauses at an early stage. During each menstrual cycle after puberty, one primary oocyte resumes development, completing meiosis and producing a mature egg cell. Steps of oogenesis. First is the oogonia, followed by the primary oocyte, then the secondary oocyte, along with the first polar body, and finally, the mature ovum, ready for fertilization. Oogonia are the stem cells of the female reproductive system. They are formed before birth and multiply through mitosis, giving rise to the cells that will become egg cells. The primary oocyte is a cell that begins meiosis I, but it pauses in early development until puberty. Each month, one primary oocyte resumes division as part of the menstrual cycle. The secondary oocyte is the larger cell produced after meiosis I, while the polar body is a smaller, non-functional cell. The secondary oocyte begins meiosis II, but it only completes the process if fertilization occurs. If fertilization happens, the secondary oocyte completes meiosis II and becomes a mature ovum. The ovum is the functional female gamete, carrying half of the genetic material needed to form a new life. Together, spermatogenesis and oogenesis form the foundation of sexual reproduction. One creates the sperm, the other the egg, and when they unite, they begin the journey of creating new life. Thank you for watching. We hope this helped you understand the amazing process of gametogenesis. Keep learning and keep growing.